Hey guys, Bert with Apparatus Handmade. Hey, we're going to try something kind of out of the box today. I am tired of every time I use this thing destroying my shelves with sawdust. I just put this in probably, I don't know, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago maybe. And every time I use it, it just destroys my countertop. Well, I used to be a contractor, so I have things lying around the house. And I found an old misordered disposal air switch. And then I went to the hardware store and I got a little bucket top vacuum. So I've fitted the hose to adapt to my saw, and I'm going to run that down through the table. And I think I'm going to put that air switch right here. I'm left-handed, don't get me started. I'm going to put it on this side. And hopefully, and it should work if everything goes well, when you press this button, there will actually be power to the saw, but at that point the vacuum will start up underneath the countertop too. I've attached it to a 5-gallon bucket. I'm assuming that's probably plenty for the amount that I use this saw. So let's get started. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to try and fit this thing, this air switch, right on the left-hand side like that. See, that works. That's protected and back in there. I just needed a little extra throw on it. Okay, I've adapted this to fit onto my saw. Unfortunately, these vacuum parts and tools, I've never got through without a struggle. So this was actually pretty easy. I got it mounted on, just a little super glue in there. So I just stuffed in there. I cut the part of the bag off that didn't help me. But this just clicks in, and now we're connected to the saw. Okay guys, we're going to try it out. Now we know the vacuum comes on, but when the vacuum's not on, no power. Turn that on, the power. Let's see how it goes. Man, that is going to save me a bunch of time already. I'm going to do it again. Remember, nothing. I gotta say, that's pretty nice. Not to mention, that's a great little safety feature as well. This thing has no power. You know, if you got kids around the house, you don't, or the shop, you don't have to worry about somebody pulling the trigger on that. So, here's the deal. I used a $23 disposal air switch in combination with a bucket top vacuum. The whole thing cost me about $47 to $48 for everything that I had here. I just went online and looked up air switch for tools. A decent one is about 70 bucks. There might be an amperage issue or something with this, but I really don't think so. Plus, we've got GFIs everywhere, so we should be fine. I like it. I saved a bunch of money, cured a problem. I'm happy.